What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm really waiting for my boxy looks, but she's taking her sweet old time. So let's see what I got in my Ipsy Plus. I haven't gotten my regular Ipsy either, but all right, and this is for the month of December. So, oh, I'm in love with the bag already. Pink with gold stars. That is like my color scheme in my apartment, pink and gold. All right, is there anything in? No, okay. Let's see if there's a pamphlet, which I doubt there will be. There is one, but it doesn't have anything to do with the products. So, time to shine, and then it has your 2022 beauty horoscopes. All right, let's see what Cancer says. Keep your travel kit light so you can glow anywhere on a whim. Yeah, because I leave the house. Not. All right, let's see what's in this nice little damaged box here. Oh, this is the Jekka Black Liquid Concealer. Vegan friendly, and it's in shade 1.0. Offers full coverage for blemishes, redness, scarring, and beard shadow coverage. Does it really say beard shadow coverage? It does. Okay. Hey, I used to have just like one hair on my chin, and it's turned into like 5. Anyways, here is what it looks like. Let's see if it truly is full coverage. So here it has like kind of a lip gloss applicator. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. That's a good color for me. Oh wow, it does feel and look very full coverage. It's thicker than I was expecting. Yeah, that's full coverage. Okay, I'm not mad at you. All right, next we have this Complex Culture Good Glow Blush Duo. So the two colors are So Chill and Glow Rush. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's see what they look like. I really love the Complex Culture brushes. Their makeup, I think I've tried maybe one thing and it's okay. So it has a little paper on the inside, and it says Subtle Glow and then Total Glow. All right, ooh. Now these are colors I will actually fuck with. Ooh, that's a really pretty, like, light baby pink. Oh, they're very creamy, actually. And then this is kind of like a coral, and it almost has a little bit of a duochrome moment going on. Ooh, yes. Those are probably like my two favorite blush colors right there, like a light pink and a coral. So I'm definitely down for this. Okay, next is, this is the Shades by Shan You Are Very Beautiful bronzer. Or no, I don't know if that's what it's called, but it says a latte bronzer. Okay. Oh, okay. It has a little mirror in it. It's a really big pan size, and it's actually a bronzer shade that I think will work for me. It's not too orange. It's not cool toned. It's kind of like neutral toned, and I feel like it's going to be light enough for me. Hopefully. Wow, that's actually really pigmented for a bronzer. Let me just try a little bit. Okay. I have not been disappointed yet going through this bag. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself. All right. Next we have this Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. Reviving eye cream for tired, overworked eyes. Yes. So, the skin synchronizing eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. Okay. I have so many eye creams, but Elemis is a good brand. So this is 0.5 ounces. And, ooh, here is what it looks like. Okay. This probably has a good retail value, too. Oh, I would look it up, but I'm using my phone to record. All right, and then the last product. Oh, you know what? I find that's why I like everything. I actually made it in time for my Ipsy choice. I'm pretty good about catching a BoxyCharm choice, but not Ipsy, but this time I did. Yes, because I remember picking that blush palette and the concealer and this. Yes. Oh, I love Verb products, especially their Ghost products. I just put some of their Ghost oil in my hair after I blow dried it. That's what I do every time I blow dry my hair. This is 4 ounces. So it says Verb Ghost Prep primes fine hair, which I have, for weightless styling. Formulated to moisturize, detangle, and protect from heat. Moringa oil infuses the hair shaft with essential nutrients that naturally smooth, frizz, and promote radiant shine for all hair types. Okay, so you put it through damp hair. Oh, I can honestly say that I am happy about every single product I got in this Ipsy Glam Plus. I'm speechless right now because it's been a hot minute since that has happened. Okay, yeah, I'm really happy about this. All right. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Yeah, I'm thinking about cutting down some of my subscription boxes, but it's kind of hard because like sometimes I feel the Ipsy Glam Plus, like you don't get a good bag. Like sometimes I feel like the regular Ipsy can even be better than the Glam Plus. But then I get something like this and it's like, okay, it is worth it. I'm debating. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unbagging as much as I did. Probably not though, because I'm the one that chose these, so I'm probably the most excited. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.